Okay. So what about others, guys? Did you done with that one? Anyone want to share the screen? Mohit, you want to share your screen?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now share your screen. I'm giving make a present. Okay. Now share your screen. Yeah. Open the Eclipse. So yesterday we discussed, right, how to launch the Chrome driver. Okay. How to launch the URL, like any URL. Okay. So what we need to require initially, guys, remember, if you want to write any script or anything on the WebDriver, what are the required things? We need to install the Java, we need to install the Eclipse, and we need to download the jar files. We need to download the WebDriver, and we need to download the third-party browser. Okay. So where we will add the jar files? Anybody? Where we add the jar files?
SRC, in SRC. Inside
Tell
the
me the
project,
process.
there is a SRC folder where we have to add the
How to add? Right click, build path,
right
configuration
build
build
path.
path. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
you need to
Library,
tell the
then
step.
add external job.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Mohit, did you done yesterday's one? Otherwise, we will
Yes, sir.
done today. Oh, good.
No, sir. Done.
See. Okay, good. See, he write what? System dot set property webdriver dot Chrome driver. This is what key. Okay, and this is what value. Okay. Okay, good. Hmm. So now we can go for to launch, how to launch Firefox. Okay, let's see how to launch the Firefox. Okay, okay, that's good. So okay, now can you create a one more project? Go to create one more project. See guys, how to create a project. Hold on, it's still rotating, right? Okay, new project. Yeah, Java project. Next, click next. Yes, click next button and write Firefox. Okay, Firefox. Okay, in interview, they will ask you Firefox means we need to add the G code drivers. Okay, let's see how we need to add the G code drivers. Okay, okay, and yeah, next, finish. Yeah, finish. Okay, no. Okay, so can you close this program? Open the URL in one.java. Just close that program. See, while you are doing that, don't confuse, just close all the things, okay? Then I think, okay, again, open the Eclipse. Eclipse, oh, okay. No, one more, hold on. Just open the Eclipse. See, close this program, one Java, one URL dot Java, close that one, yeah. Oh, you are closing means completely it is closing? Oh, okay, okay. Now open the Firefox, open the Firefox. Hmm. Okay, close the into mark, okay? Again, one more time, just open that Eclipse. Just I want to show you a folder structure, okay, for everyone. Okay. No, why you click that one? Okay, no problem. Open the Eclipse, okay. Wait, just open the Eclipse, okay?
Okay.
Okay, okay, that's it. And can you click that arrow mark before the Firefox, right? There is an arrow mark, right? Click the arrow mark. Yeah. See guys, whenever you create a project, you will able to say like this, structure will be like this, like Firefox. This is what project name. And you will, whenever you create a project, right, you will see like this one, SRC, like source. Okay, in this source, you need to create what package. First of all, you need to create a package. Right click, on SRC. Right click on SRC. Yeah, right click on SRC. Yeah, new package. New package. Okay. In the package, you can give any name. Okay, Firefox P, Firefox package or anything. You can give any name. Okay, Firefox. Yeah, package and
small
finish.
letter ठीक है ना?
Sorry. Yeah. Hold on. Don't do immediately. Okay. 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 Finish. See, now you got a package, right? Package is created. Now right click. Now you are need to create a class. Okay. Right click, new class. Launching the Firefox. What you need to write? Launch the Firefox. You need to write launch the Firefox. Okay. Launch the Firefox. Okay, good.
Finish.
Hold on. See, guys, make sure that public static void main you need to select. Okay, you already selected. Good. So, can you close the console? Down below, can you close the console? Down below. Console. Just close this console. Clear it. Yeah, remove that line. Yes, because you need to make it clean while you are doing the code. If you are seeing down below errors, right side you are opening multiple programs, you will be confused. Okay, what is required, that panel only you need to open. Okay, rest of the things you need to close, because you will get a confused. What is happening? What is getting errors? You will, lot of confusion will be there. So avoid that kind of thing. Don't open multiple programs at a time. Okay, first of all, what you do, you need to create a project. Simple steps. Go to the file, create a new project, Java project, and giving the project name is what, Firefox, and you're creating the package. What is the package name? Package is very in a group of classes, right? So package, we need to create the package. That package name is what? Firefox. Always give the meaningful names. Meaningful names is very important. You written somewhere some name means you will be confused which program I'm writing. So always make sure that write the meaningful names. In the real time also we need to give the meaningful names. Okay, you cannot give ABC, demo2. You cannot give like that. Okay, so always make the meaningful names. Okay, now we create a class. Now what we need to do, guys? Tell me. You only tell me what you need to do now. After that, what we need to do? We need to add the jar files, right? So where we add the jar files? Tell me where we need to add the jar files.
Sir, right clicks on the project and
SRC. Right click on SRC.
okay.
Yeah, the SRC. Tell me what we need to do. Build path. Yes.
And configure build path.
Yes, good. Speak loud, because you are a presenter now. In the real time also they will also ask to share the screen, tell that things. So you need to tell them. Add external jar. Yes.
Add external jars.
Yes, good. What we need to add here? Yesterday we download web drivers, right? Go to the web drivers where you download. So this is also kind of experience, sharing the screen, discussing with the team members. So these all are very important. Okay. Where you download web driver. No, it's my SQL connection. That is not. Okay, don't worry. No, don't worry. Take your time. Don't worry. Okay.
Just a minute.
Okay. No problem. Take your time. Don't worry. Okay. Take your time. Where you download, just add that one.
Here actually, sir, data is written this type of format. Why?
Yeah, actually you extract here. That's the reason I told you, right? You always keep the folder in separate folder, means it will be good, because you are extracted this one. Okay. Do one thing. Go to your download. Otherwise, do one thing. Go to the website selenium.hq.org. Yeah, Alok, tell me.
Hello.
Yeah, tell me, Alok.
Sir, just Mohit, go back and there is a folder. Sorry, there is a file.
Mm-hmm.
Open the
Yeah,
folder.
but he extract all in the same folder, right? Better we can download new one.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
that is also good practice, right? Go to the previous release. No, Mohit, go up, go up, little bit, go up. Click the previous releases. Yeah, click the previous releases. And 3.4, right? Better you can click 3.8. Okay, 3.8. Come down, come down. 3.8. Yeah, come down. Yeah, better it is.
On the
See,
top there is a here, sir. On
yes,
the
yes,
top
yes.
there is a here link is there.
Yes, yes, yes.
Just scroll
Because
up.
here, yeah,
Just
here it is
scroll
not
up.
viewing clearly, right? So go to up, little bit go up.
Go to up. Scroll up.
Yeah, little bit up. Yeah.
Scroll up or yes, yes.
Here, click here. Just
Previous
click here.
release a complete can be seen. Yes, yes. There is.
Yes, it is a bug, right? It is not appearing properly, right? Come down. Yeah, come down. Click 3.8. Yeah. See, guys, how to download the WebDriver. See, who are missed the yesterday class, you can see now. Okay. Now you can download Selenium Java 3.80 zip file. Okay, top one, 0. Yeah, click. Then here, down below. Down. No, not that one. Selenium Java. Okay, don't worry. Okay, this is the first. Come down, little bit. Come down. Come down.
that one.
Selenium Java.
That
Yeah,
one.
yes, yes. Click that one. See, you are not lacking practice, right? That's the reason you are simple. It will be very easy. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Now you are downloading the web drivers. Okay. Just I created a
Okay.
project in Eclipse. Now I'm downloading the web drivers. Okay. Okay. Now open this one. Show all. Show in folder. Okay. Copy this folder. Copy this folder. Hold on. Hold on.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now copied, right? Create a one folder. Don't copy here. Create a new folder. Yeah. Create a folder here. WebDriver. Create a folder. New folder. WebDriver. 3.8. Yeah. Because meaningful names you need to give, always meaningful names. Okay, WebDriver 3.8. So whenever anybody asks, right, add the jar files means you need to come here and you need to select the files here. Yeah, open that one. Okay, and paste here. Yeah, extract here. We need to what? We need to do what? Extract here. Okay. So whenever you are extracting here, you will able to see the files. See, now you are able to see the file. Now open your Eclipse. Now open your Eclipse. Okay, open your Eclipse. Okay, now just open your Eclipse, right click, src. Yeah, build path. This is interview question, guys. They will ask you where you need to add the jar files. You need to tell them. Okay, yeah, src add external jars. Yeah, add external jars. Yeah, yes.
Next.
Again one more time. Just click select all, control A. Yeah, open. Yes, apply and close. Always do apply and close. Yes,
Okay.
done. See, now you added
I think
jar files.
before.
Okay.
Sorry, sir. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah, tell me, Alok.
Sir, before going to leave, there is also two files. That two files also we have to add in our SRC.
Not required, right? Yesterday we added only two. Yeah, I think he added, right? Already, he not added.
I think he not added.
I
He
also
directly go.
added that two files, or common
Okay.
files.
Yeah, common files you added, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then good. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, now see. Okay, if he not added means then we will get errors. Let's see, no problem. Anything is fine. Okay, can you open one more time? Let's see. We never have a doubt. If you have a doubt again, we will get a confused. Right, like a build path. Go to the build path. Go to the build path. Configuration build path. External library files. I think you not added. One more thing. Just add external jars. Go back.
Yeah,
These
here
two
two
files
files.
you need to. These two
These
files
two
you need to
files
add. Yes,
required.
absolutely. Good, Alok. Good catch. So that's fine. Okay. Now see, I added all my external jar files in my project. My part is done. Now what is required? We required the browser, right? Because I want to
Okay.
launch the Firefox browser, right? So you need to
Okay.
download the Firefox browser. Where you need to download that one? Just go to the Google and open the hq.org. Always, guys, you need to refer this site. This site is very, very important reference site. Okay, always if you want to gain more and more knowledge on selenium, you always refer this site. What is that? Selenium.dev. Okay, okay, come down here. Everything will be available. Everything is available here. Okay, so open the browsers. Okay, here where come down, come yes, see, Firefox we can call it as here Jico driver. Firefox we can call it as here is what? Jico driver. Yeah, click that one.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
come down.
executable files are not there, sir. It is
Yeah,
on
I
above.
no, yes, yes, yes. You can click here.
So that
Jico driver releases. Jico driver releases the here highlighted, right? Yeah, click that one. Come down here 0.27. Come down. Come to down. Last. Come down. Scroll down. Scroll down. Yeah. See, you can able to see here. Go up little bit. Go up. Little bit. Go up. Just now we saw right zip folder and all the things. Come down, come down. Little bit go up 20.7. Yeah, so here your Windows, right? And make sure, guys, you need to check your operating system type. What is your operating system type? See, many of the people blindly copy this one. Don't do that one, guys. First of all, you need to check
Okay.
your operating type. What is your operating type? Either it is 64-bit or either it is 32-bit. So make sure that which one you are copying. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay, blindly you cannot
Okay.
copy. Okay, check what is your
Okay.
operating system, that 34-bit or 64-bit.
Sir,
Let's check.
64 bit.
Okay, then 64-bit means then you can download this one. Yeah, download Jico driver. Okay, so who have
Okay.
practiced this one, right? They will tell in interview very clearly. Jico driver, you need to tell that we need to download. If you want Firefox launch means we need to download what? Jico driver. Okay, some people are having no awareness. They will say that I download Firefox drivers. What is Firefox driver? There is no Firefox driver. There is only a Jico drivers. Okay, you need to say that in interview. How to launch Firefox means you need to say the steps. You need to tell the proper steps. Okay, go to the HRC, the selenium.hq.org, and go to the download. Select the respect to the browser and download and type. You need to check the type, whether what is your type operating system, whether 32-bit or 64-bit. So in Chrome we do not have this option. Okay, only 32-bit only. Okay, in Firefox we have an option, the 64-bit. Okay,
Okay.
okay, let it download. Hi guys, reminding guys, please practice. Okay, everyone should need to practice, otherwise it is a waste. Okay, automation means at least you need to practice at least 15 to 20 minutes per day, at least 1 hour in per day. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm. It is okay. It is downloaded, right? Once let it complete. Let it complete. Yeah, completed, right? And select this one. Copy this one. Copy this one, and keep one folder, separate folder. Okay. Right click, copy. No, no, don't go to the E drive.
Yeah.
E drive. Create one more folder. Firefox, web drive, the Firefox, or you can put it or Firefox or Jico driver, whatever it may be. Firefox 27. It is the 27 you download. Okay. 27. Yeah. And select, because you need to know the version will take your folder name. Okay. And paste it here. Okay. Extract here. Extract here. Right click and extract. Extract here. Okay,
Sir,
done.
if you
So,
will,
yeah, go ahead, Alok.
sir, if you
What?
put all the drivers in a folder, it will, I think it will be
Yes,
easy,
yes,
sir.
yes, yes, yes. This is the first time, right? Let him do. Okay. Let after that he will get it all the things. After slowly,
Okay.
we are in the basic stage. So even the first time I will also keep it here and there and all the things. No problem. We will see the later how we can put it in all drivers in one place, how we need to execute all at a time. We will see in the coming. Okay. Now, see, now my part is down. I download jar files and I added the jar files to my project, and I created the class, and now I need to import, right? Write the import in the top after the package, write import. What you need to write? Import org selenium dot, what you need to write? WebDriver. Okay. Yeah. Selenium dot control space. Okay. No. Can you erase that one? Again, erase that one. Completely erase that one. OpenQA. See, org.openqa. You need to select that one. Yeah, you can select that one. Yeah. Okay. Remove the star and write. What do you need to write? Import org OpenQA Selenium.WebDriver. You need to select WebDriver. Yeah. Select the WebDriver. Yeah. Come down. Remove one. Okay. Come down. Okay. Import again. Import space org org dot openqa and selenium. What you need to launch now? Firefox, right? So what you need to write for Firefox? You need to write uh, selenium Firefox driver. Firefox control space. Yeah. So no need to, everything will come here itself. Okay. No need to write anything. Okay. Just everything will, just you need to write 2 3 letters. Okay. See, it is coming a yellow line, right? Don't worry about this is what warning, because you are not used, right? That's the reason it is showing the warning here. Okay. Don't concentrate it on this one. Concentrate on this one. What? Import org openqa dot selenium WebDriver. And second one, import org dot openqa dot selenium dot Firefox driver. Now come to your program. Now you need to write a program, write to the script. Okay. Now tell to your system where this one. Okay. Write system dot s capital. Write s capital. System dot control space. Yes. System dot set property. Okay. You are telling to your system dot set property key and value. So you need to give the key. Yesterday, what key we are given? Anybody remember what key we are given? WebDriver dot Chrome.
Driver.
Yes, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. Now you need to provide for key for Firefox. What is the key for Firefox? Right, WebDriver,
Go dot driver.
yeah, WebDriver dot Jico. You need to write Jico. See, I forgot your name. Mohit, you should put in
Excuse me, sir.
yeah, yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hello.
Hello,
Yes,
can you
sir.
hear me?
Sir,
Yeah,
I have a question.
yeah,
Sir,
please.
first we download Selenium Java 3.80. Okay, sir.
Yes, 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 absolutely.
After that, extract here.
Yes,
I extracted. After that, we downloaded Gecko driver 0.27, right, sir?
yes, absolutely, absolutely.
Okay, sir. After that, we have to extract it.
Yes, we need to extract because
Okay,
you
sir.
cannot directly. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, sir. After that, sir, what we have to do? We have to build the path.
Yeah, yes, we need to add
Sir,
your jar file to your project.
Okay, sir. From where, sir? SRC.
Yes, SRC, right click, SRC, right
Sir,
click,
in SRC,
uh,
in
right
SRC,
click.
we have to build a path, right, sir?
Yes, in the build path,
We
and you need to go for configuration build path. In that configuration build path, you need to add libraries.
configuration path. After that, library. Okay, sir.
In the
Add
libraries, you
external
need to
jar
add
file.
external jars. Yes.
Yes, sir. After that,
Yes. After that,
sir,
we done with
we have to add the jar files, right, sir?
yes, only jar files.
3.80, right?
Yes, anything. You can take 3.4, 3.9, what are the versions you have, you can download anything. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
we took
I have downloaded 3.80.
okay, okay, that's fine, that's fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
I added. After that, sir, I added the what we have added libraries,
That
libs.
yeah. One second. See, don't confuse here. Mohit, can you go to SRC?
Yeah.
SRC, right click, build path, configuration build path.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here libraries and add externally jars. Click add external jars.
Okay,
Now you need to
okay, sir.
add these web drivers. Okay, is it clear?
Okay, sir. Libs folder, right, sir?
Yes, yes. Lib folders
If
in all. You need to select all. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Okay, sir. I added.
Okay, done.
After that, sir, apply and close.
Yes, apply and close.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay,
I have done, sir.
we will do in your system tomorrow. Okay, don't worry. I will give an opportunity for everyone, so we will have a practice. Okay, that's the reason I asked to
Okay,
share
okay,
your.
sir. Thank you.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, no
Thank you,
problem.
sir.
Always. Okay. Okay. At the end of the class, you have any questions? Let me know. Okay, we will do that one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Right, system dot set property. Mohit, can you put it? This is the string, right? You need to put a double quotes. Okay, put a double quotes. Double quotes. Yeah. Here, after that, you need to write GCO driver. Write the GCO driver. GECCO. GCO driver. Yeah. GCO. Yeah. Dot driver. No, no. GCO dot driver. GCO dot driver. Yes. Absolutely. Good. Now, again, now you need to give the value. Where is your value? Just now we downloaded, right? Double quotes. Again, put the double quotes, Mohit. Yeah. Now go to your path. Where is your download, right? You downloaded the Firefox, right? Go to your Firefox. Yeah. Shift. Hold on the shift. Copy as a path. Yeah, right, right. What you done is correct. Absolutely correct. Yeah. Shift right click. Copy as a path. Yes, absolutely. Good. Go to your now. Go to your Eclipse and paste it here and remove the extra column. Remove the extra column. Yeah. Last remove this one also. Last. Yeah. After exe you have one slash, right? Remove that slash. Okay. Now guys, very easy. Concentrate now. We done very easy steps. Just I create a project. The project name is what? Firefox. I added the package and I added the class. I create the package and I create the class. In the class src, I added the jar files. How to add the jar file? Right click src, build path, configuration build path, and click on environment, click on libraries, and then the libraries we are adding the jar files. That part we done. Now in the class, we need to import the two things. This is very, very important. These two things are very, very important. Import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver. Okay. Okay. And next one, import org.openqa.selenium.firefox.firefox driver. These two are you need to import. Okay. Now what I'm telling to my system, hey, select this one, take this one, GCO driver, webdriver.GCO driver. This is what my key and this is what my path. So first the script will execute how? It will check what is the key. Always it will check the key. If it is Chrome means it will execute Chrome. If it is GCO means it will execute Firefox. It is IE means it will execute IE. But here what key you are providing? GCO driver. Means GCO driver means what? Firefox. And you are telling this is my path. Go to this path and execute this one. So you are telling to the system, hey, system dot set property, you're telling this is what my key and this is what my value. Okay, come down. Now you need to create a object. Okay, come down. Come down, and now you need to write what? Web driver. Okay, WebDriver, and you are creating object, guys. WebDriver space, you can give any name, better you can take driver. Okay, driver, okay, equals to new Firefox. Okay, this is what we are creating object for, what? Firefox. Okay, Firefox driver. Okay, yes, write the Firefox. Okay, good, come down. Now you already create an object for the Firefox driver, right? Now you can call anything with the object. Okay, driver dot get means you are calling the URL. What URL you want, you can call that URL. Get double quotes, which URL you want to open, just open that URL, any URL. Okay, take any URL, just open that one. Amazon.in. Okay, that's fine. Paste it. Remove that extra line after a dot in. Okay, not required. Okay. So this is what, see, simple, understand, not required. Here people are asking, do I know the Java? Not required, but at least you need to know the things what we are doing. See, creating object, you know this one, right? Creating object WebDriver, you are creating object driver equals to new Firefox driver. Okay, try to understand the code. Okay, do not copy and the paste. If you copy and the paste, you will not understand. If you understand this one, you can launch any browser without my help. Without any other help, you can do that. But understand the concept, how we need to create a project, how we need to add the jar files, and how we need to launch the browser. If you understand the basics, that is what basics is very, very important. Tomorrow they will ask you to write, they will give you an interview white page. They won't give all the system and all the things. So you need to aware of all these things. Okay, import org.openqa.selenium.webdriver open dot, because I'm opening what? Firefox. So I need to call this one import.org.openqa.selenium.firefox.firefox driver. So you need to know this one. Blindly you are writing means, then it is wasted. If someone is asked you why you took this one, you need to explain, because I need to launching the Firefox, the all library files I added, so I required this one to create the WebDriver and Firefox browser. Okay, so you need to explain like that. Okay, and now execute this one. How to execute? Right click on your class. There is a two ways. Either you can click directly this button, or else run as Java application. Yeah, click the run as Java application. Yeah, because it throw the error. Good, go up. Let's see the error, what it is. Throw the error. Okay, good. So it is saying that, hey, your key was wrong. See, here clearly says that the path to the driver executable must be set by WebDriver D is small. Okay, and Gcode.driver. Okay, copy this one and paste there. Okay, copy this one and paste there. Driver.Gcode.driver. Yeah, copy that one and paste there. Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay, troubleshoot is also very, very important, guys. Okay, don't panic. If it is not execute, don't panic. Let's see what is happening. Okay, now run the Control S and run as a Java application. Yeah, congrats. It is executing. Yes, 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 yes. See how it is executing? Because if you go with process, with the step by step, definitely will done the things. Okay, see how first time, right? Again, see how it is executed. We launched yesterday, we launched Chrome driver. Today we launch a Firefox driver. And guys, you need to do how to launch IE. Okay, so I will tell you, don't worry, but do the practice. Without practice it won't come. Okay, okay, close this one. Can you run one more time? Can you run one more time? Yeah, very easy, guys.
Sir, while searching for IE, there is showing that Microsoft Edge is there, and I for
I will tell you.
it
I
is
will tell you.
calling that
I will tell you, Alok.
legacy mode.
Yeah, I will tell you. Okay.
I have
Okay.
already tried.
Okay. Okay. We will see. We will see. Hold on. Okay. This is the way how to launch the browsers. Okay. Close this one. See, make sure this is always comes default, like default size. Only it is not getting full size. So if you want to maximize, what command we need to write? Anybody? Yesterday we write, right? Driver dot
Driver.manage.window dot
Windows
maximize.
dot maximize. Remember, see maximize. Very easier. So driver dot manage dot windows dot maximize. Now you can run. See, add the command, check the script how it is working. Add the command, check the script how it is working. Now previously we got default, right? It will come now full screen. Like completely the browser will be maximized after executed this. Yes, see, it's maximized, right? So this is the way, though they will tell you the test cases, okay? See how it is maximized. I'm not do anything. I'm not click maximize. He is not done anything. He is writing the command. Based on the commands, the script will be executing. Okay, can you open the Eclipse, Mohit? Can you open the Eclipse? Yeah. So now they will tell you the test cases. Based on the test cases, now my part is done. I open the now log in with the username, log in the password, click on the submit button. So they will tell you your test cases. First of all, before writing any code or anything, write the test cases. What I need to automate. They will tell you. They will give a task in the real time. They will give you a task item. So that item you need to be automated. Okay. Now we are successfully launched. Yesterday we launched Chrome driver, and today we launch Firefox driver, Firefox. And because why we are telling individually, tomorrow they will ask you interview key. What key you use to launch the Zico driver? What key, guys? WebDriver dot Zico dot driver. You always remember these keys. What key you use for launching the Firefox? Anybody? What key we use? WebDriver. Yeah,
Driver dot zico dot driver.
yeah. For this, for Firefox, I'm asking Chrome. For Chrome, what key we are using?
WebDriver dot
Yes, WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver, because you always remember this keys. Okay.
okay, sir.
Any questions so far? Anybody? Is it clear how to launch Chrome? How to launch Firefox? Anybody? Any questions? Anybody? Everyone is clear?
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
please. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, when I run this program, there is a problem. The address was not understood in the Firefox window.
Okay, do one thing.
When
Share
I
your.
while running
Hold on,
this
hold
program,
on, hold on. You can share your screen.
sorry to say, but actually, sir, I'm doing I'm taking the class in the mobile form and doing the
Oh,
practical at the laptop, sir.
okay,
Tomorrow
okay,
I will. Sorry
okay,
to say,
okay.
but
No,
sir,
no,
tomorrow
no
I will
problem.
do it.
Okay, no problem. See, it happens for everyone. Don't worry. Okay, what error you are getting?
Yeah, sir, the address was not understood.
The address means this X path. You're talking about this one. Okay, tomorrow we'll see that one. Okay, otherwise you can copy that one.
Oh,
Okay, okay. What about other guys? Other guys is done. Any questions? Guys, speak out, guys. It's very friendly class. It's very too friendly class. Discuss, or if you are facing any issues, or tell me what you done or not. So if you are more interact, we can learn more things. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yesterday I have done
You
Firefox,
done?
Zico driver, and Chrome driver, and both work from IE to
Okay,
the.
good. Good. Any, okay. Anyone? Good. Okay. Now let's go with IE. Now let's go with IE. Okay. Shall we do IE now, or else we can do tomorrow? What is you can say? Shall we do tomorrow, or shall we do now?
So now we can do.
We can do now.
Okay, good. Okay, no problem. Very interesting. Okay, now who want to do the IE in any one system? Anyone want to present? Share the screen. Okay, Mohit, you can continue. Okay, go to first of all again create one more project, guys. Concentrate here. Create one more project. Okay, create one more project. Yeah, new project. Yeah, new project. Java project. That yes. Click next. Right here, IE launch. Okay, IE launch. Okay, don't give the space. Okay, don't give the space in between IE and launch. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay, now create for you create the project name, right? IE. Okay, good. Now SRC, right click, new package. Create the package name. What is that? IE package. Okay. 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 A launch package. Whatever it may be. Finish. Okay. Now under the IE, right, create a new class. Good. Launch IE. What is that? Launch IE. Yeah. Now select public void. See why you are selecting public static void main? Anybody? Why we are selecting public void main? You know, right? Without the
sir,
main. Yeah. Go ahead.
the
While
execution starts from main method. That's
Yes.
why we are selecting the public static void main.
Yes. Please remember, guys. You need to public static void main should be selected because Java program is always look with the main method. Okay. If it whatever the program you write in Java, it is always check whether the main method is there or not. If it is main is not there, it won't execute anything. Okay, that is simple logic. Okay, no need to again by heart interview questions and all the things. While doing the things only you can prepare the interview questions. This is what interview question they will write without main. They will ask you, can you execute this program? Then no need to ask anybody. You can check whether there is any main method will be there or not. If it is main method is there, this program is executed. Then you can say like that. If you don't know that one, you say you will be confused. Which one is I need to put an answer there? Okay. So make sure that the Java program is always checked with the main functionality, main method. Main method should be there. If the main is not there, then it won't be executed. Okay. That is interview question. Okay. Now we create a new project, right? Again we need to add the jar files. Can you add the jar files? Where we need to add the jar files? Again src build path, configuration build path. Okay, Alok, you can leave, not a problem. Tomorrow we'll see. Okay, control select yeah. Okay, and again add external jars. Yeah, you can select these two things. Yeah, done. Apply and close. Good. So we added all external jars into the project. Okay, then okay, write import. Yeah, you need to write the import org space org open qa selenium.webdriver. That is common for everywhere. Okay, WebDriver. Okay, good. Now second line, selenium WebDriver. Yeah, next one. Yeah, import space org dot openqa. Write some openqa. After that you write you can write what is that? Selenium dot ie dot Internet Explorer. You need to write ie dot selenium. Yeah, right, selenium. Selenium dot yes, select that one. Good. Select that one and yeah, Internet Explorer. Control space. Use the control space. Okay. Mohit, do you download IE? Do you download the IE? No, right? So go to the Chrome, browser. Okay. Open new window. Go back. Here you can go back. Go back. Okay. Now we required IE, right? So where go back? Little bit go back. Yeah. So here we required IE, right? The browsers we are not see that IE, right? So Alok is asking this question, but he has urgent work. He left. Okay, no problem. Go to up. Little bit go up. Top. 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 Little bit top. Okay. Little bit go up. Go up. Little bit go up. Yeah. Go up. Move up. Little bit move up. Little bit go up. 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 Little bit up. Move little bit up. Yeah. Little bit go up. Topmost. You can go topmost. Hold on, come down here a little bit, scroll down. Here, hold on. Here, see, it is asking, right, Internet Explorer driver service. So you can download this one. Either, what is your one? It is what, 32-bit or 64-bit? Your 64-bit, right? You can download here. Yeah, click download. Click that one. Yeah, it is downloading. Okay. Now, show all. Yeah, show in folder. Yeah, copy this one and put it in one folder, separate folder. Okay, so whenever if anyone asks you, right, you can easily tell them. Okay, open the folder. You can keep here also, not a problem, or otherwise create a separate folder. Okay, new folder, IE drive. Okay, so yeah, good, you are already extracted it. Now copy this path. Okay, now you need to write the system dot set property S capital. Yeah, system dot set property. Yeah, set property key, double quotes. What is the key for this one, guys? Anybody? What is the key for this one? WebDriver dot IE dot driver. What is the key for IE? WebDriver dot IE dot driver. You need to write driver dot IE dot driver. Yeah. What is the value? Just give the value, guys. What is the value? Just double quotes and give that value. Where is the value? Yes, right click, shift, control, right click. Yeah, copy as a path. Yeah, good. Paste there. Yeah, remove that extras one. Okay. Yeah, remove that extras line. Yeah, semicolon. And exe after extra line, remove that one. Extra line. Exe after the slash. After the slash, right? Yeah. Double quote also remove. After that. No, not that one. Yeah, that one. Yes, good. Now you are telling to your system, hey, this is what my key. Go search for this key like webdriver.ie.driver, and this is what my path. Where is the path? You already downloaded, right? So you need to give that download path. Now write what you need to write. WebDriver. You are creating the object for this one, right? Write an object for the WebDriver. WebDriver space driver equals to new. What you need to take for object? What you need to take, guys? Internet Explorer driver. You need to write Internet Explorer driver. Yes, automatically can see how it is interesting. You need not write anything, just write 2 or 3 lines. That's now call with the driver dot get URL, any URL. Just take any URL. Okay, take any URL and run it. Yeah, yes, good. So okay, and save it and run as Java application. Good, congrats. It's working only in local. Yes, good. So it is working. First time it will show like this. This is initial. Let's start the page for the window. Can you run one more time, Mohit? No, hold on. What error it is showing? No, okay, no problem. Did you click run as, yeah, Java application locally conditions? Yes. Why yes. Why it is showing like that? Hold on. Again, can you save and run one? Still it is loading. I think your cursor is. One more time. This is initially start the page. Yeah. One more time. Just close and run one more time. Now hold on. It's what error it is showing. Let's see the error. Unexpected launching the hold on, it is showing the error, right? It was set to see, this is what interview question sometimes. See, it is what error it is showing. Unexpected error launching the Internet Explorer. The browser zoom level is set to 125, so it won't allow. Can you scroll a little bit right side? Scroll, yeah. No, down below, down here. No, after 125, what is that? That is what I want to check. Yeah, scroll right. Yeah, yes. It should be 100%. See, interview question. If IE is not, that is what we already discussed, right? There are, while you are automating the IE browser, we get some challenging things. What are the challenging things is what? See here, why I'm not able to launching that one. Here there is some restriction. Here there is some condition will be there. Here that error, if you read this error, you can do this. You can easily solve this problem. Unexpected error. Launching the Internet Explorer, the browser zoom level was set to be 125%. It should be, means your browser is what, 125 will be there. No, now you need to change to 100%. Can you open your IE browser? Can you open your IE browser? General browser, IE browser, yeah, IE. Yeah. Change the zoom level. You know where you can change the zoom level. Yeah, select
No,
the
sir.
zoom. Select the zoom. Select the zoom button. No, go to the settings. Go to the settings. Zoom level is 125, right? Now change the 100. Yeah, good. Now you can execute now. Now you can execute the Eclipse. Now you are execute your script. See guys, this is interview question. No need to search. Don't ask me, sir, give me interview question. These all are interview questions only. Okay. What type of errors while you are doing the automation? Tell me this error. While I'm launching the, I'm in IE, my zoom level is 125. It is not allowing to launch the browser. So I changed as the browse level is what, 100. So that is what type of errors you while you are finding while doing the automation. So you need to tell this error.
But sir, directly it is come on full screen.
You yeah, might be it will given like that. Okay, open that one. You're not given that driver dot maximize, right? You're not given that, right? Yes, it happens in IE, right? Okay, so that is what there are a lot of I told you, right? There are a lot of challenging things will be there in IE. In IE, it won't supporting that one. Driver dot manage dot Windows, it is not supporting. When you opening, it is coming directly on full screen. Okay, so there are, that is what compatibility. What is the I don't know whether you people are manual or no. In the manual, we discuss a lot of things like compatibility. In IE it is working, in Chrome it is not working, in Chrome it is working, in Firefox is not working. So we need to check the compatibility issues, like these all are what compatibility related issues. In IE it is working. See, in Chrome I'm not doing any zoom levels. In Firefox I'm not changing any zoom levels, but in IE, that is what compatibility issues, right? You need to check with compatibility. So real time, whenever any task is assigned on your name, we need to check with all the browsers. You need not check only one browser. So once we got a task, right, we need to check whether this application is supported with all the browsers or not. We need to check. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, manual is very important, and automation is very important. People are thinking that if I know automation, I will get a job. No, you will not get a job. You need to know the manual concepts also. If a task will come, what I need to do? First of all, you need to check with the manual. Yes, it is executing correctly. When we will do the automation, regression, what is called meaning of regression? make sure that application is working as per the requirement, and it should not impact the rest of the modules. If I change some code, it should not impact the rest of the modules. In that case, I will do the regression. Every time we do regression testing, because every day the developer is adding a new code or changes the new code, he will do some change code and all the things. So we need to check our build is executing correctly or not. That's the reason we are implemented the automation. Why the automation came in the picture? Regression repeatedly we need to test. Now one build came, already my script is there, just I need to change what URL, just I need to change what http amazon.in. If I change the URL, that is my thing. Already my script is there. Again I need not open the Chrome browser, again I need not open the IE browser, again I need not open the write the script and all the things. Simply I can do only one line of the code. Simply I change the URL, click the button, that's it. Now I can, by seeing the automation, I can check whether the build is working correctly or not. Okay, whether the URL is launching the correctly or not. Okay, so that's fine, guys. But my suggestion is what everyone should be make a document. What you now practice, right? Make it as a document. I want every person make a document. I will check every person document. Okay, because why I'm asking to write at least one time, because you are seeing the screen. Okay, screen is what completely you are able to see all the things and all the things. When you put in the pen in the document, right, you will get more and more and more and thoughts. So I want every person on tomorrow, you need to complete the Chrome driver, you need to complete the Firefox browser, you need to complete the IE browser, and make it as a one document and show it to me tomorrow. Okay, don't take it's a punishment, don't take it's an hard work, it's a homework. Whenever you get a time, just do that one, because the documentation is very, very important. If you write in paper and pen, right, tomorrow if someone asks you an interview, hey, can you write how to launch the Chrome driver, you already written right here, you will easily write on that exam, easily. Simply you can import.org.space selenium.webdriver, import.org.selenium.webdriver, selenium IE.internet explorer. Now you are writing public static void main. Now you are writing system.set property key and value key. I'm launching Chrome, right? Webdriver.chrome.driver and path. See, this is what practicing. If you do more practicing, you can easily do more and more and more. Okay. If you by heart, 100% you will forget now itself. You don't by heart. If you forget project, add, src, under, you don't read like that. Don't remember like that. Okay, if I'm not add jar files, I cannot add the things. Okay, so that is very, very important. Okay, so that's fine. We will see tomorrow more the things. You want Microsoft Edge, sir? I wanna run in Microsoft Edge. You can do that one also. Okay, we'll see tomorrow. I'm running out of the time. I have another class. Any questions? Is it clear, everybody? Is it clear?
Sir.
Yeah, okay, done. Chalo, then we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll see one more time. Then we will, if you all are done this one, we will go for the next topic. Okay. Okay. Chalo, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.